How to get $100 REI promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in REI promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for REI. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, $20 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it, copy the code, and then click on redeem at REI. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount for it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for REI. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for REI. So this way you can easily get up to $100 off working promo code for REI. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.